In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Coinbase to a Bitcoin wallet, and I'll break down every step so you can transfer your cryptocurrency safely and securely. First, open the Coinbase application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. If you don't have the latest version of the app, it's a good idea to update it to avoid any errors during the transfer process. Once you're logged in, you'll notice 5 different options at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the third option, which looks like 2 arrows pointing away from each other. This is the section used to send crypto to other wallets or users. Since we are sending cryptocurrency to an external wallet, tap the option labeled Send. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to send. For this example, we'll use Bitcoin, but you can follow the same steps for any other cryptocurrency supported by Coinbase. After selecting Bitcoin, enter the amount you want to send. You can enter it either in your local currency or directly in Bitcoin value, depending on your preference. For example, you might choose to send $10 worth of Bitcoin. Since you are sending to an external wallet and not another Coinbase user or friend, tap Not Now when prompted about sending to a friend. You'll then be taken to a page where you need to enter the Bitcoin wallet address for the destination wallet. This address is unique to the wallet you are sending to, so it's very important to copy it carefully to avoid sending funds to the wrong place. Paste the wallet address into the appropriate field in Coinbase. After entering the wallet address, tap Preview Send. This will allow you to review all transaction details, including the amount you're sending, the destination wallet address, the Coinbase fee, and the network fee. Take a moment to carefully double-check everything to make sure all information is correct. Mistakes in cryptocurrency transactions can be costly, as they cannot be reversed once processed. Once you're satisfied that all the details are correct, tap Send Now. Depending on network activity, the transaction may take a few minutes to be confirmed on the blockchain. After confirmation, the Bitcoin will appear in your external wallet, and you can verify it by checking the wallet balance and transaction history.